correct you, they're going to show you. That's the teaching part. That's the teaching part. You got to be a fun teacher. I'm all set this week. Lesson plans in. Sheets copied. I'm chilled. Just teaching. Do you have a difficult time saying no? Please type that in. Do you have a difficult time saying no? For a lot of young people, they can't say no. If you can't say no, you're going to have a car full of kids. You can't say no, you're going to be at a party where you're going to get in trouble. If you can't say no, then you're going to be in a situation with a person you don't know. So everyone's a little bit different. My mom always taught me be around positive people who are doing successful things. You got to be around positive people. You got to be around positive people. We all have to be around positive people. That's so important because